We're here at Innovative Car Sound with a 2018 Honda CRV. We just finished doing the install of a Viper remote start with full featured alarm controlled by the factory remote. This is the factory push to start remote. What I mean by push to start is you do not turn a key in this vehicle. You hold the brake down and you push that white button that's lighting up right there. To go along with the alarm system, we also added the smartphone control, and we'll show you that in another video. This is going to be part 1, full featured alarm remote start factory key fob. So here we go. We hit lock, unlock, just like you normally do with the factory remote, but now it has a full featured alarm. So if the vehicle is hit or any of the doors are opened, it will fire off the alarm system. It'll honk the horn, flash the lights, and has a siren underneath the hood, just like a regular alarm system. We place the blue LED light in this corner, and now when I hit the vehicle, it'll set it off. I will make it be quiet just like we normally do. For the remote start, you hit the lock 3 times. 1, 2, 3. A few seconds later, the engine cranks. Viper remote start, factory remote, full featured alarm. 2018 Honda CRV.